Lesson 13, Fun with Magnets. So yesterday I have completed till magnetic compass, and today I will start with make your own magnet. Fun with magnets. Make your own magnets. How can make your own magnet? Now there are a number of methods for making magnet. However, the simplest method is the single touch method. Simplest method is the single touch method, and it is described. You can see, take a rectangular flat piece of iron A and B. You can see in the diagram. Take a rectangular flat piece of iron A and B, and it flat on the table, and at the end A here you can see that end A, place the north pole of permanent bar magnet. Here this is the permanent bar magnet. You will place near the end A and rub the magnet over iron from A to B. Then you will rub like this magnet over A to B without lifting it. Without lifting it, you have to rub from point A to B. Then at the end B, lift the magnet and again place it at the end A, and as shown by arrows in figure 13.13, and repeat this rubbing procedure for 30 to 40 times, and repeat this procedure by 30 to 40 times. Then and remove, after some time you can remove this permanent bar magnet. Now test the end A of the here at this point. When you will test, then you can see that end A bar magnet by bringing it near to the north pole of freely suspended magnetic needle. Then you will notice that north pole of magnetic needle gets repelled, and this proves that flat piece of iron has been magnetized, as repulsion is the surest test of magnetism. Alternately, now roll the end A or end B of the flat piece of iron in a bowl containing common pins or iron fillings. Then you will notice that common pins, iron filling stick to the ends of the flat piece, and this shows that flat piece has changed into the magnet. And similarly, you can magnetize an iron pin, a steel blade and a swing needle, etc. What are the precautions in using magnet? Which kind of precautions you will take while you are using magnets? So magnets lose their property of attraction or repulsion if heated strongly or hammered or rough handled. And second, it has been found that magnets lose their magnetism if kept without any protection. The bar magnets should be stored in pairs in wooden box separated by a piece of wood, such that their opposite ends face each other. Furthermore, pieces of iron should be placed at both the ends. These pieces of iron are commonly called the magnetic keepers. In case of horseshoe magnet, at a piece of soft iron should be placed at its ends, and this piece of iron will stick to its end and prevent it the loss of magnetism. And electronic articles such as computers, televisions, MP3 players, music system, compact disc, audio tapes, cell phones, transistors are very sensitive to powerful magnets. Care should be taken that no powerful magnet is around them as they get demagnetized. This is all about chapter 13 and you will take revision of this chapter.